Hello everyone, hope you're doing all great. Today I will be comparing Skype for Business and Microsoft Teams as well as their similarities and differences. So, just to not be mistaken, Skype that we all use is great for smaller companies up to 20 employees. It is free to use unless you want to buy credits to make calls to landlines or mobiles, for example. But Skype for Business lets you add up to 250 people onto online meetings, provides enterprise grade security, allows you to manage employee accounts, and it's integrated into your office apps. So, what are the features for Skype for Business? Skype for Business contains the following features: instant messaging, voice, video, screen sharing on all your devices from any location. Phone numbers can be ordered or ported into the system for public telephone service network calling as well. But it has many more enterprise features, which makes it capable of replacing an office phone system. First, Skype for Business allows for advanced call routing and handling that most businesses require. You can set up hands groups, delegates, advanced forwarding, and auto attends, most of which is needed in larger companies' settings. So, why did Microsoft develop Teams when Skype already existed? Microsoft wanted to build a collaborative platform that can work seamlessly with applications in the Office 365 suite. Although Skype evolved significantly since the time it was launched, there could be only so many improvements made to its agent architecture. It is under these circumstances that Microsoft had to build a brand new communication collaboration platform now called Microsoft Teams. This platform is built around the cloud architecture that makes the application highly customizable, scalable, and secure while optimizing bandwidth consumption and minimizing disruptions. The architecture allows integrating several capabilities while improving the overall user experience. Moving now to the main differences between Skype for Business and Microsoft Teams. So, perhaps the first difference that Teams users noticed while comparing Skype versus Microsoft Teams is that their chat is auto-saved. In Microsoft Teams. If you are using Skype for Business, you would have noticed that the chat would disappear once the window is closed, while the conversation can be still saved if it only requires the Outlook be the default mail client. The saved conversation can be found in the several conversation history folder in Outlook. It could be particularly annoying for Skype for Business users when they accidentally close an important chat window and lose content of an ongoing conversation with their colleagues. So the second main difference is improved messaging. For Skype for Business, clients had several improvements once overlink when it comes to instant messaging. Microsoft Teams takes it a notch further. It allows their users to include stickers, apps, chats apart from the files and emojis along with these messages. Besides, there is a greater flexibility in setting up chats based on the purpose, like the departmental segregation, project or user-specific channels. Microsoft Teams introduced threaded conversation, allowing users to participate in multiple conversation inside a single tab. So if your colleague mentions your name in the comments, simply clicking on the resultant notification will take you directly to the record where you can reply inline. This threading feature is helpful in group chats where the active threads appear in the bottom, making it easier for keeping track of the ongoing content. So the last but not least feature is better feature and application integration. So the architecture of Microsoft Teams allows businesses to build and to integrate their customized application using SDKs and APIs. It is far from flexible than the Skype for Business client, whose native integration primarily to telephony solutions, while Skype does support add-ins that simplify content sharing in conversation conversations without switching apps, the facility is not available on the Skype for web. So Microsoft Teams allows integrating apps and services from the App tab within the application. The primary advantage of this feature is that users can use those services without switching between applications. In other words, Teams allows the users to share Wikipedia articles, weather updates, real-time stocks, and other such information of interest on chats by simply pulling the information from these services and applications without leaving the chat window. So additionally, it is compatible with Microsoft Cognitive Services that integrate advanced technologies like machine learning, speech recognition, and other technologies with Microsoft Teams, making it significantly powerful than Skype for Business. So hope you like it, guys, and thank you for watching.